I'm going to show you how you can family share on Steam. On Steam, you want to go ahead and go to Steam up here on the top left side. On here, go to settings. On settings, you want to go ahead and go to family. Now on family, you can either create or join a Steam family. So if your family already have a Steam family, you can join by clicking on their link or by them sending an invite to you. Or you can already create your own Steam family if you'd like. Let's click on this blue button here to find out. On here, you can either join a family by clicking on this. You need to be invited to, so you must invite, or you can create a family. If you create a family, then any games you have on your library will be shared with your family, and any games your family have will be shared with you as well. So it's mutually beneficial. Tap on create a family if you'd like, enter the family name. So for example, game sharing, for example, and then just click on the blue button to create the family. After you create, you might need to share the link onto your family or your friends if you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be a family member. You can just be a friend. Just tap on create, and then you can invite your friends and or your family into the Steam family member.